First search pizza and select an image. Now remove background with the help of Remove Background tool. Add color to background. Now adjust image size and placement. Add shadow to the pizza. Adjust the shadow and finalize the placement. Now add graphic in background. Now adjust the graphic accordingly. Now search smoke and place it on top of the pizza to make it look hot. Add some background graphics to the left. Now add your elements, place them. Use blur feature to showcase movement. Play with different graphics and keep exploring. Add your details like name, tagline, and order us. Make sure you have a CTA. Viola, this is the final result.